Tamaraos. My name is Gar Anjanovi Marete. Today we will learn about common nouns and proper nouns. Let's go. Let's go, Tamaraos. Common noun is a general name of a person, place, things, or animals. A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, things, or animal. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. These are my toys. Toy is a common noun. This is Masamuni. Masamuni is a proper noun. This is a tablet. Tablet is a common noun. This is a iPad. iPad is a proper noun. These are my reading book. Books are common nouns. This is Mr. Dog reading book. Mr. Dog is a proper noun. Let's play a quick game. I will say a word and we will guess if this is a common noun or a proper noun. This is a fruit. Fruit is a common noun or a proper noun. This is a Kinder biscuit. This is a common noun or a proper noun. This is a Charmander Lego. This is a proper noun or a common noun. Knowing common nouns and proper nouns is important so we can name things correctly. Use capital letters correctly and know the difference between common and proper nouns. Help you communicate more precisely. Now you know the difference between common and proper nouns. That's all for today. This is Car Adenovi Marete by Tamaraos.